really per se know what I want to do. I just look at the colors and I stir up these ideas in my head and then, you know. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be creating two looks with Pat McGrath's Midnight Sun palette. I did do a full video with swatches, comparisons, and looks with this palette already, so I'll link it if you want to check it out. But today, I want to just focus on making two looks with this palette. I want to do one very soft, very wearable, very easy. And then I want to do one very dramatic and very fun. It's kind of easy with these palettes. So, come on, let's get started. In my tutorials, I use a combination of Wayne Goss and Sonia G brushes, and these are all natural hair brushes. Let's start off with the more softer wearable look. I'm going to prime my eyes really quickly. This is from Marc Jacobs. This is the Undercover Perfecting Coconut Eye Primer. It's one of my favorites. It's the one I use in most all of my videos. I'm going to start off with this shade here, Taboo, and I'm using a Wayne Goss No. 4 brush. We're now going to go into Extreme Dusk very lightly, and I'm using a Wayne Goss No. 4. For our lid shade, I'm going to go into Bronze Eclipse, and I'm going to use a Sonia G Builder Pro. And this is a dry brush. I'm going to go into the lightest shade here, Skin Glow Moon Glow, and a Wayne Goss No. 7. May apply my base makeup. I'm going into Taboo and a Smudger 2 from Sonia G. Pat McGrath mascara. I have this lipstick, and I can't remember what collection. I've never used it. It came in this packaging, and the actual bullet is blue, and I think I want to use this color. We put a little bit of balm. This is Pat McGrath's balm. Look 1, the more wearable of the two looks. I'm going to go ahead now and jump into creating one a lot more dramatic. Let's go. Alright, let's do a nice dramatic look. I'm kind of torn between this green and this bronzy coppery kind of shade. So, I don't know. I am going to start off with Vermilion Venom, this shade, and this is a Wayne Goss No. 4. I'm going to go into Extreme Dusk. That same brush, Wayne Goss number 4. I'm seriously stuck between using this and this on the lid. I think they would both look so beautiful. Alright, I think I know. Alright, I think I'm going to go with the green one. That's Wicked Envy. Let's try her out. I love greens. Greens are one of my favorite shadows. This is a Sonia G Builder Pro. I am going to take my finger and this shade here, Jubilee. And that's kind of like something I like to do. I'll just tap that on the center of the lid. Gonna go into Vermilion Venom and a Smudger 2 brush. I'm going to take a little bit of Extreme Dusk on the same brush. Fluffy brush, which is number 4 from Wayne Goss that I used in my transition and crease. And just kind of soften this up a little. I'm taking Pat's Perma Precision Liquid Eyeliner. Pat McGrath's Fetish Eyes Mascara. And here is the second look, the more dramatic of the two. I still like this palette. The VIB sale is coming up. I hope they have it. You should check it out. Do let me know which look was your favorite. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.